Kinsta Affiliate Program Sign Up. Kinsta is a premium managed WordPress hosting provider known for its speed, security, and scalability. If you're looking to monetize your audience, the Kinsta Affiliate Program offers an excellent opportunity to earn recurring commissions by promoting Kinsta's hosting services. And this guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of signing up for the Kinsta Affiliate Program, how it works, and some tips to maximize your earnings. Now, before we proceed to our tutorial, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. Now, let's talk about how the Kinsta Affiliate Program works. Kinsta's affiliate program offers a hybrid commission level or model, meaning you earn both one-time bonuses and recurring commissions. You can earn $50 to $500 per sign-up, depending on the hosting plan your referral purchases. You can receive a 10% recurring monthly commissions for as long as the referral maintains or remains a Kinsta customer. They have high customer retention rates, ensuring long-term passive income. And they also have the program which operates through the first promoter. It is a trusted affiliate management platform. Now, with that out of the way, let's talk about on how we can get started signing up for the Kinsta affiliate program. Now, the first step is to visit the Kinsta affiliate page. You want to go to the Kinsta affiliate program page by navigating through kinsta.com/affiliates. Once again, these links are on the description box below. From here, it will then take you to this page for the Kinsta hosting affiliate program. Join the high-paying affiliate program and earn a one-time bonus for up to $500 plus lifetime monthly commissions of 10%. In here, all you have to do is to simply go ahead and click on the Become an Affiliate button. It will then take us to this page where we basically have to fill out the form in order to go ahead and apply for their referral application. So in here, we have first name, last name, email, PayPal email, language, country, password, and how did you find out for the affiliate program. Just go ahead and fill out these necessary questions right here and click on the next button. From there, it will then ask us about our website. Since this is a hosting provider hosting page right here, we have to fill out the website, describe your business, the category for that specific website, which is publisher/blogger, web development/design agency, freelance developer/designer, team/page, marketing agency, and other. And just below that, you have questions like, does your website contain adult content? Do you use coupon sites to promote your affiliate link? And lastly, what hosting services are you interested in referring? In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on WordPress since that is one of the most popular hosting providers out there. And right after, we are now inside the affiliate terms. You want to make sure that you read all of the affiliate terms and condition, the privacy policy, and more, as it governs when and how they pay commissions. To continue, just go ahead and answer the following statements. In here, you have to check, I have read and agreed to the affiliate terms and privacy policy and agreed to transfer of data to the United States. I understand that coupons to promote Kinsta in any way will result in the immediate termination of my affiliate account. Any approved commissions will be null and void. They also have, I agree not to send any specific traffic to Kinsta through any pay-to-read, pay-to-click, banner exchanges, click exchanges, PPC advertising, pop-up under, or any other methods that would compete against Kinsta. They also have, I understand that Kinsta may suspend or terminate my account as its sole discretion at any time. And lastly, I agree to receive the affiliate newsletter. Now this is optional. You can go ahead and unsubmit this or uncheck this if you want to. From there, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on submit and you should be good to go. It will then take us to this page where we have to go ahead and wait for a couple of days. It usually around 24 to 48 hours, and if approved, we'll receive a welcome email with our unique affiliate link and dashboard access. And now that we know how to sign up using Kinsta hosting affiliate program, let's go ahead and know how to promote the Kinsta as an affiliate. Now, once approved, here are some of the best ways to promote Kinstas and maximize your earnings. Number one is to go ahead and write blog posts and reviews. Create in-depth reviews or comparison article. Example, Kinsta versus Bluehost. You want to make YouTube videos. You want to make tutorial videos on WordPress hosting and include your affiliate link in the description. They also have social media marketing. Share Kinsta's promotion on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. They have email marketing. You want to send newsletter recommendation on your subscribers. And lastly, you want to head over to know about the SEO optimization. You want to rank high for keywords like best WordPress hosting through attract organic traffic. And now let's talk about the payment and commission structure. One-time commissions can earn you $50 to $500 per sale based on the hosting plan purchased. For recurring commissions, you get 10% monthly commissions for the lifetime of the customer. You have the minimum payout of $50 before withdrawal. Now the payment methods. Payouts are sent via PayPal or bank transfers on a monthly basis. Now here are some tips in order to maximize your earning on the hosting or Kinsta program. You want to target the right audience, focused on businesses, bloggers, developers, and someone who needs a reliable hosting service. You want to use SEO and content marketing. Rank for high intent keywords like the best managed WordPress hosting. You want to leverage retargeting ads. Run ads to people who visited your affiliate content before. Once again, you want to create tutorials and case studies. Show real-world benefits of using Kinsta. You want to offer bonuses. Provide exclusive guides or bonuses to users who sign up through your affiliate link. Now in conclusion, the Kinsta affiliate program is an excellent way to earn commissions and recurring passive income by promoting one of the best managed WordPress hosting providers. With a strong commission structure, easy sign-up process, and multiple ways to promote, it's a great opportunity for bloggers, YouTubers, and digital marketers. Now, once again, these links are on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.